chained to shadows, bound by every rule, running circles in the darkness, playing the fool. But your blood broke the prison, your grace for the wall. Now I'm free from the old life, I've seen it all. No turning back, no second guess. I've tasted mercy, I can't settle for less. Dead to sin and law, now I've seen it all. Alive to God alone, never more to roam. I'm stepping through the veil into your throne room. Fire, burn the bolt behind me, my only desire. Prayer is the doorway, the secret place I run, where the world falls silent and your voice is the only one. Here in your presence, every burden is light. Face to face with glory, losing track of the night. No rushing out, no wanderer, I found the place